A transitive verb. A verb which has an object, has two voices, active voice and passive voice. So our topic for today is active and passive. To change the sentence from active voice to passive voice, we need to know the tense of a sentence. Then according to it, we need to change. The rules vary with the type of tense used in a sentence. Let's understand. Rule. To remember, when a sentence is in simple present tense, then we use am is are and past participle along with by. Simple present tense. Active passive voice based on simple present tense. A sentence has noun, verb and object. For instance, active voice. Lata sings a song. Lata is a noun, sing is verb and song is object, a song. Lata sings a song, active voice. As I told earlier, Lata noun, sing verb, a song object. In the passive voice it will reverse. A song is sung by Lata. The rule will be object plus helping verb plus verb 3. Verb 3 means past participle plus by. Object can be noun or pronoun. Now what is the boy doing? Yes, he is Raju. Raju writes a letter. Active voice. How to frame in passive voice, and the sentence is in simple present tense. So the passive voice will be a letter is written by Raju. Let's see one more example. Now what's this girl doing? Girl carries bag. Her name is Meena. Meena carries a bag. Again simple present tense. Active voice. A bag is carried by Meena. Passive voice. Rule. When the sentence is in present continuous tense, then in passive voice we write am is are plus being plus past participle plus by. Example, Radha is reading a book. Active voice. In passive voice it will be a book is being read by Radha. Now what is the mother doing in the picture? A mother is baking a cake. This is a continuous tense. A cake is being baked by a mother, passive voice. When the sentence is in present perfect tense, then active voice has or have plus past participle. Passive voice will be has, have plus being plus past participle plus by. Past participle means V3. A cat has killed the mouse. This is the sentence in present perfect. Active voice. The mouse has been killed by a cat. Passive voice. So with this we finished present tense. Now come to past tense and begin with simple past. When the sentence is in simple past, then the passive voice will be passive voice rule was or were plus past participle means V3 plus by. A rainstorm flooded the village. Active voice. In passive voice it will be the village was flooded by a rainstorm. When the sentence is in the past continuous tense, then in passive voice, was or were plus being plus past participle plus by. Let's understand with the help of example. A father was driving a car. Active voice. The sentence is in past continuous tense. So the passive voice will be a car was being driven by father. When the sentence is in past perfect tense, then active voice had plus past participle. In passive voice it will change to had been plus past participle plus by. My father had already purchased the goods. Active voice. In passive voice it will be the goods had already been purchased by my father. With this, we finish past tense. Now come to future tense. When the sentence is in simple future tense, then active voice, the rule will be shall or will plus main verb. Passive voice will be shall be or will be plus past participle means V3 plus by. The children will play football. Active voice. In passive voice it will be football will be played by the children. Very important, we need to remember verbs in the future continuous tense, perfect continuous tense and past perfect continuous tense cannot be expressed in the passive voice. There is no passive voice for intransitive verb. When the sentence is in future perfect tense, then active voice will be will or shall plus have plus past participle. And passive voice will be will or shall plus have been plus past participle. They will have counted the votes before night. Active voice. In passive voice it will be the votes will have been counted before night by them. That's all. Thank you so much for watching.